welcome back from iReady Testing. Let's continue learning about math and growing our brains. Today, we are on Module 1, Lesson 9. We are going to solve unknown multiplication facts by adding or subtracting easy facts in array. Let's skip count by 2's to multiply. Let's solve 2 times 5. Let's count by 2 5 times. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Let's do the same for 2 times 3. Skip count by 2's to find the answer. 2, 4, 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's practice multiplying by 2. 2 times 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we are going to practice multiplying by 2 with a pattern sheet. You will have 2 minutes to complete as many problems as you can. Remember to work from left to right across the page and use skip count strategies that we just practiced to help you solve. And remember, when we're doing this pattern sheets for virtual learning, you're going to get a piece of paper and write it down. You'll have to look up and down from the screen. If you are missing a piece of paper, you may use your whiteboard. You take your markers or pencils getting tall, get set, bring it flat, and think. Pencils up, brains on, go, go, go. Less than 1 minute remains. That's time. Let's go over our problems. I will read just the answer. You can give me a thumbs up on your screen if you were correct. If we pass where you stopped, write it into study. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10, 2, 4, 6, 4, 8, 4, 10, 4, 2, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 6. You may go. We will stop there. Let's keep moving. Let's count by 4's. Remember, we used our count by 2's to help us count by 4's. Wiggle it out, bring it close, count by 4's to 24, and go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Bring it down. 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 0. Next, let's count. Now, let's count by threes, forward and backward to 30. Wiggle it out, bring it close, count by threes to 30, and go. 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Bring it down. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. You will need your whiteboard. Represent this array as a repeated addition sentence, using 5 as the size of the groups. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. How many 4s do we see in this array? Complete the expression on your whiteboard. Unknown 4s equals unknown. 3 4s equals 12. Let's write 2 multiplication sentences for 7 groups of 2. Remember, use the cumulative property to flip the factors. 7 times 2 equals 14, and 2 times 7 equals 14. Notice this equation's a little twisted up. The total is at the beginning. That's okay. Complete the expression on your boards. 18 is equal to 6 times 3. 5 3s equals unknown. Complete the expression on your board. What is the total that you see in this array? 5 3s equals 15. Let's add one more group of 3 to the array. Complete the expression on your board. 5 3s and 1 3 plus 5 3s plus 1 3 equals how many 3s? How many 1s did it equal? 5 3s plus 1 3 equals 6 3s. We see 6 total groups of 3s in the array. We also see 18 1s. There are 18 1s total. You will need the 3 array that you see on the board. You can just watch mine. We'll cover part of the array with blank paper to show 5 rows of 3. Let's observe the box that's around the uncovered array. Write and solve a multiplication sentence to describe it. We see 5 times 3 equals 15. Let's imagine that we can move the paper so that it shows 7 times 3. Let's look at the box that is added around the rows. What multiplication sentence represents the array in the green box? 2 times 3 equals 6. How many 3s are in 5 times 3? There are 5 3s. How many 3s did you add to 5 times 3 to make 7 times 3? We added 2 3s. So let's read this number sentence together. 7 3s is the same as 5 3s plus 2 3s. Now, I will write it another way. Tell me if you agree. 7 times 3 equals 5 times 3 plus 2 times 3. We know the total for each of those parts. Let's put them together to find the total for 7 times 3. 15 plus 6. 7 times 3 is the same as 15 plus 6. 7 times 3 is 21. Let's try another. Let's watch me as I cover part of the array to show 4 rows of 3. Let's see the box around the uncovered array. Write a multiplication sentence to describe it. It shows 4 times 3 equals 12. I'm going to move the box to show an array that shows 8 times 3. Let's see the box around the rows that I added. Write and solve a multiplication equation to describe 4 times 3 equals 12. How many 3s are in 4 times 3? There are 4 3s. How many 3s did we add to 4 times 3 to make 8 times 3? We added another group of 4 3s. Let's read this number sentence. 8 threes equals 4 threes plus 4 threes. Now I will write it another way. Tell me if you agree. 8 times 3 equals 4 times 3 plus 4 times 3. We know the total for each of those parts. Let's put them together to find the total for 8 times 3. 12 plus 12 equals 8 times 3. 8 times 3 equals 24. Excellent. Now we're going to practice using another strategy. I'm going to cover part of the array with a blank paper or the square to show 9 rows of 3. Draw a box around the uncovered array. Notice that 9 times 3 is very close to 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is easier to solve. Help me count by tens to solve the total. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 10 times 3 is 30. Let's use 10 times 3 equals 30 to help us solve 9 times 3. Use your fingers to trace 10 threes. What should be subtracted to show 9 threes instead? 1 3. 10 threes minus 1 3 equals 9 threes. Let's work to solve 9 threes in a number sentence above. 10 threes equals 30, because 10 times 3 equals 30. 1 3 is equal to 3. So what is 30 minus 3? 30 minus 3 is 27. Now I'll write it together in another way. Tell me if you agree. 9 times 3 is the same as 10 times 3 minus 1 times 3. We know the total for each of those parts. Let's put them together to find the total for 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is the same as 30 minus 3. 9 times 3 is 27. How did we use 10 times 3 to solve 9 times 3? Now it's time for your problem set. Spend 15 minutes working on your Google Slides before submitting them on Google Classroom. Afterwards, go to Edulastic and submit your exit ticket. Make sure you complete both Google Classroom and Edulastic for full credit of today. Thanks for class. See you tomorrow. Bye!